Hello and welcome to the Analystix Data Arranger tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Data Arranger tool, which is part of the Analystix Tool Excel add-ins package. You will learn how to select data, choose the different arrangement options, and how to export it back to a spreadsheet. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is select the data you wish to manipulate, and the Data Arranger works with two types of input. You can use data that's arranged in 2 rows or 2 columns. For instance, here we have dates and values, in this case for monthly oil prices. And it's important to note that the date or the period has to be the first row or the first column. The second type of input is a data table of 2 variables, month and years. And in order for the Data Arranger to work, the first column must include the years and the top row must include the month. In this example, we're looking at cotton prices. Okay, once you've selected your data, select Add-ins and click the Data Arranger icon on the toolbar. This will open the Data Arranger tool. You can see that the selected range appears in the range field. Now it's time to select the input and output data types, average or end of period. I will select average and leave the output as same as input. If some of your data is missing, you can also select the data fill method. And for an in-depth explanation on the various methods, visit the Analystix website by clicking the annotation or using the link in the description. Okay, back to our example. Select the period frequency of the output. I will be selecting quarterly, and then select the output layout, which can be either horizontal or vertical. Next, we will choose the output range. This is where the rearranged data will appear. Click on the first output cell field, then select a cell on the spreadsheet. Now return to the Data Arranger window. And as you can see, the cell we've selected will appear in the text field, and we're ready to export our data. Click on the Export to Excel button, and here you can see the output of the average quarterly prices, horizontally spread, starting at the cell we've selected. And it's worth mentioning that if any of the cells needed for the output were not empty cells, the Data Arranger would have prompted you that you're about to overwrite existing data, so you can easily avoid it. This has been the Data Arranger tutorial. Thank you for watching. To find out more information, visit the Analystix website.